What's up, guys? Torque converter is here. Gauge pot is here. I'm gonna do a shout out to LED Innovations and just an update on the cam install that we're going to do next week. No, I am not a fireman. I'm just representing. The torque converter is here. Edge racing converter. Came pretty quick. 3,000 install. This will help with the 60 foot and help get my heavy ass truck get a little more low end torque. Make it a little torque monster. Should be a good lineup with that HPT cam. I have a heavy truck, so I have a Laramie, fully loaded Laramie. Crew cab short bag, so this will help. All right, so the cam's here. I got the gauge pot as well. It was actually a tight fit. I had to get my little rasp out and my fine rasp and make the hole a little bit bigger, but it slips in nice now. I like to be able to take it out and put it back in. I don't like when they're too stuck. You know what I mean? I like to make sure I can pull it out and put it back in anytime I want. That's what she said. I got plenty of TunedRAMS stickers, like just about any color but pink. Got the whole rainbow, the Roy G. Biv rainbow. I just ordered more too, so tons of those. $5 each. PM me if you want one. So here's a little shout out to LED Innovations, Johnny Bullington. LED Innovations online.store. He sent me a sticker. And I'll talk about that in a second. I'll put his website up top too. But he put it in this 2 pieces of cardboard with like this protective stuff inside this box. Man, I thought I was getting like a piece of gold. This dude protects the stickers very, very well. That's impressive. That's very impressive. Johnny Bulletin's the guy who sells the front grill emblems and the rear tailgate emblems. These ones right here. See it? And they have little, they're at the Ram's eyes have lights, and he's got all different kinds of colors. Check out his website, LED Innovations online.store. I'm thinking about getting one. I like the one with the white lights. Put them in the back, so when you put your reverse light on, you get 2 little lights that come out of the eyes. That's cool. So Johnny messaged me the other day on Messenger, and he's like, hey, I'll make you a trade for stickers. And I'm like, yeah, it's a good idea. I'll give you a TunedRAMS sticker, you give me one of your stickers. And the thing came here in like a day and a half, and I feel bad because I waited a couple days before I sent my sticker out. So sorry, Johnny, but I mailed it today. It's on its way. But I'm just very impressed in how you wrap this thing up, man. Very impressed. So somebody like that who will wrap a sticker that well has to sell a good product. He's gotta. Thanks again, Johnny, for the sticker. Appreciate it. Hopefully you get yours soon. There's also a little promo code going right now, I think, till this Sunday. Hot damn promo code. You get 5% off one of these LED lights. Hit them up. Man, I'm starting to get excited. I'm more excited now having a cam and putting the stall in than I was when I was putting my Pro Charger on. I don't know why. Like, you see Nick Plotter on his videos, right? He's driving, he's like, I'm going to put my cam in. Nick couldn't sit. He's like looking around, he's like getting all excited, like, cam's going in today. All excited. That's how I'm gonna be going down to the shop. I'm gonna be restless, I'm gonna be excited, I'm gonna be amped up. This thing's gonna sit in the dashboard. I like the way it looks. Let's go check it out. Embarrassed right now. Look at this. That's nasty. I haven't cleaned this thing in so long. I am sorry, Rammy. I will clean you soon. I feel so bad. Neglect. So bad. Okay, anyway. Let me pop this thing on. Put this thing down. Obviously the wire is going to go behind the steering column, but it's going to go down a little more, but that looks pretty cool. I used to have 2 when I had the Pro Charger. I had the boost gauge and the AFR over here, but I was kind of concerned of how this is going to look. I think I like it. It looks really good. I couldn't find a gauge pop to go here. You had to buy like the whole thing. It's really expensive. I think this thing was only like $40. But I like this here. That way nobody can see it too. I don't want anybody to know that my truck's modified, so this is a good spot. And it looks good. Alright guys, that's the update. The cam's here, the stall converter's here. We're gonna do it next weekend, Memorial Day weekend, down at the Cape at Mr. Roji's Garage. I got my buddy Dale coming in here tomorrow. We're gonna put his core 4x4 lower control arms on. That'll be cool. Might do a video of that too. Oh Roji, by the way, your truck's a sled. Sled. Just kidding, little buddy. Don't get all angry. Calm down, man. While I'm down there, I'll take a video of Mark's little project he's doing on his diesel truck. He's got a transmission coming, he's got a bigger turbo coming. The thing's gonna be a beast. Take some video footage of that as well. All right guys, until then, stay cool.